Hi, Cody Hickman here with 360 Catering and Events YouTube channel. Thank you again for joining us. Anytime you need any catering help with your corporate, wedding, whatever it may be, we're always here to help. So what we're doing today on National Southern Food Day is fried green tomatoes. We don't get any more southern than that, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to first take our flour and put it on our first plate. Just kind of spread that out a little bit. We're going to dip our tomatoes in there very first. We're going to take our eggs, our milk, and very quickly just whisk that up. Doesn't take about 5-10 seconds. It's nice and combined. Then we're going to take our cornmeal, our breadcrumbs. I'm keeping it southern. You can also use panko. It works really well that way as well. A little pepper and salt. And just in case people in the background didn't hear it, quiet on the set. Gotta have a little fun on here. It's okay. So now we're gonna get our tomatoes. Got these nice green tomatoes. Dip in the flour. Into your egg wash. And now on to our breadcrumbs and cornmeal and salt and pepper. Make sure you get them nice covered. While I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and turn my oil on. I've got vegetable oil here, and it's going to get about 350 degrees. About 3/4 of an inch to an inch deep in oil. My tomatoes are about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Just kind of depends on how firm your tomatoes are, on how thick you want to do them. I did mine about a nice, I missed a step there, didn't I, guys? Well, that's all right. That's why we can always come back. Not that big of a deal. We're always going to make a few mistakes in the kitchen here and there. That coats a little bit better that time, doesn't it? See if I can get it right this time. So biggest thing in the kitchen, you just want to enjoy cooking, have a lot of fun. Don't take it too seriously. Mistakes are going to happen here and there. As you just saw, a guy that cooks for a living made a mistake. I'm only going to do about 4 of these. As you see, I have a lot more to do. That's for us to enjoy a little later at dinner time. You don't want to do too much flour. Too much flour will actually make it too thick of a batter, and it'll get too loose and it'll fall off. We're going to take our tomatoes over here now. I'm going to check my oil. One way of checking the oil is putting your wooden spoon in here and see those bubbles coming up? That means it's nice and hot. That's perfect temperature. So I'm using my tongs to put them in here. Safety first, of course. See how they instantly go to bubbling? That's another way of knowing. But I don't want to put my tomatoes in there unless I know. It's going to take a couple of minutes. They'll brown. Then you flip them over for another couple of minutes. They'll brown. And then you're ready to go. Put them on a little paper, and I'll show you the finished product in just a second. Alright, so they're ready to go out. Look at this golden brown color. We're going to put them on our paper towels here so get a little of that excess grease out of there. Man, I just love the way that sizzles. Now, see, this one's golden brown. I like mine a little bit more like this, just because I like a little more of that charred flavor on my green tomatoes. So, just gonna put them on here on this plate. And here we go. We are fried green tomatoes, 360 catering style. Hope y'all enjoy. And remember, you get all these ingredients and recipes on 360 Catering and Events. Until then, enjoy yourself.